Introduction. Hola, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the vibrant city that captivates hearts around the world, Barcelona. Join me as we explore the 10 most visited tourist attractions that make this Catalonian gem a mesmerizing destination. I'm your host, Andy from the 10 most tourist attractions, and let's dive into the enchantment of Barcelona. Segment 1. Sagrada Família, Arquitectura ao Marvel. Our journey begins with the iconic Sagrada Família, a masterpiece designed by the visionary architect Antoni Gaudí. Join me as we marvel at the intricate details of this basilica, learn about its unique architecture, and discover why it stands as a symbol of Barcelona's artistic and spiritual identity. As we stand before the Sagrada Família, let's delve deeper into the details of Gaudí's magnum opus. This basilica, under construction since 1882, is a testament to Gaudí's ingenious architectural vision. Explore the nativity and passion facades, witness the intricate sculptures, and learn about the ongoing efforts to complete this monumental masterpiece, expected to be finished in the next decade. Segment 2, Park Güell, Gaudí's Wonderland. Next on our agenda is the whimsical Park Güell, another creation of Gaudí's genius. Explore the vibrant mosaic sculptures, winding pathways, and the famous lizard at the entrance. Join me as we unravel the playful essence of this park and enjoy panoramic views of Barcelona from its elevated terraces. Join me as we wander through the enchanting Park Güell, a whimsical wonderland designed by Gaudí. Beyond the famous lizard sculpture, the park features colorful mosaics, unique sculptures, and architectural elements that seamlessly blend with nature. Discover the inspiration behind Gaudí's designs and the cultural significance of this public park. Segment 3, La Rambla, Boulevard of Life. Let's take a stroll down La Rambla, Barcelona's bustling boulevard. This lively promenade is lined with street performers, colorful stalls, and a myriad of shops and cafes. Join me as we soak in the energy of this cultural artery, where locals and tourists alike come together to celebrate life. La Rambla isn't just a street, it's a living, breathing artery of Barcelona. From the iconic Boqueria market to the lively street performers, this bustling boulevard captures the essence of the city's vibrant culture. Join me as we explore the diverse shops, cafes, and street life that make La Rambla a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. Segment 4, Casa Batlló, Modernist Elegance. Our journey through Barcelona's architectural wonders continues with Casa Batlló, another jewel in Gaudí's crown. Step inside this modernist masterpiece, explore the fantastical interiors, and uncover the symbolism woven into every detail. Join me on a visual feast of artistic elegance. Step inside Casa Batlló, where Gaudí's creativity knows no bounds. Marvel at the fluid lines, organic shapes, and vibrant colors that define this modernist masterpiece. Learn about the symbolism embedded in the architecture and the innovative techniques used to create a home that transcends the boundaries of conventional design. Segment 5, Gothic Quarter, Historical Tapestry. Dive into the rich history of Barcelona as we explore the Gothic Quarter. Wander through narrow medieval streets, discover hidden squares, and marvel at the Gothic architecture that transports us back in time. Join me in unraveling the tales of the city's past within the labyrinthine lanes. Immerse yourself in the rich history of Barcelona as we navigate the labyrinthine streets of the Gothic Quarter. Discover hidden gems like the Barcelona Cathedral, Plaça Sant Jaume, and the Roman remnants scattered throughout. Join me in appreciating the Gothic architecture and the charming ambience that makes this quarter a living tapestry of history. Segment 6, Magic Fountain of Montjuïc, Spectacular Shows. Let the magic come to life at the Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. This iconic landmark offers nightly water and light shows that are nothing short of mesmerizing. Join me as we witness the fountain dance to music, creating a symphony of color and motion against the backdrop of the city. When the sun sets, the Magic Fountain of Montjuïc comes alive with spectacular water and light shows. Learn about the engineering marvel behind this fountain and witness its mesmerizing displays set to music. Join me in experiencing the enchantment of this nightly spectacle against the backdrop of Barcelona's iconic landmarks. Segment 7, Picasso Museum, Artistic Legacy. Art enthusiasts were headed to the Picasso Museum, where we explore the early works of the legendary artist Pablo Picasso. Join me as we journey through the evolution of Picasso's art, from his formative years to his groundbreaking masterpieces, housed in this charming medieval palace. Enter the Picasso Museum and embark on a journey through the artistic evolution of one of the 20th century's greatest painters. From his early works to the Blue Period and Cubist masterpieces, each gallery tells a unique chapter of Picasso's life. Gain insight into the artist's creative process and the significance of this museum in preserving his profound legacy. Segment 8. Camp Nou Temple of Football. Football fans, brace yourselves for Camp Nou, the colossal stadium that echoes with the cheers of FC Barcelona supporters. Join me as we tour the iconic grounds, visit the museum showcasing the club's rich history, and feel the passion that makes Camp Nou a true temple of football. Camp Nou isn't just a stadium, it's a pilgrimage site for football enthusiasts. Explore the trophy room, walk through the players' tunnel, and feel the electric atmosphere that defines match days. Join me in understanding the deep-rooted connection between FC Barcelona and its passionate fan base, making Camp Nou an iconic temple for football lovers. Segment 9. Tibidabo, Sky-High Adventure. Our adventure takes us to the summit of Tibidabo, offering panoramic views of Barcelona and the Mediterranean Sea. Join me as we ascend to the highest point in the city, explore the vintage amusement park, and savor the thrill of being atop this picturesque mountain. Let's ascend to the summit of Tibidabo, where panoramic views of Barcelona and the Mediterranean await. Explore the Tibidabo amusement park, a charming vintage park that has been entertaining visitors since 1901. Join me as we revel in the nostalgia of the rides and appreciate the unique blend of natural beauty and sky-high adventure. Segment 10. Barri Gothic, Bohemian Charms. Our grand finale unfolds in Barri Gothic, the bohemian heart of Barcelona. Explore quirky boutiques, discover hidden plazas, and feel the eclectic vibe of this artsy neighborhood. Join me as we meander through the labyrinth of Barri Gothic, celebrating the unique charm that defines this cultural enclave. Conclude our journey in the bohemian neighborhood of Barri Gothic, where every narrow alleyway holds a secret waiting to be discovered. From the Plaza Real to Cara del Bisbee, immerse yourself in the eclectic atmosphere of art, culture, and history. Join me as we explore quirky boutiques, artistic squares, and the unique charm that sets Barri Gothic apart as a cultural enclave in Barcelona. Conclusion. And there you have it, fellow explorers. The 10 most visited tourist attractions in Barcelona, a journey through art, history, and the vibrant spirit of Catalonia. If you've enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel content. Until our next exploration, adios and happy travels.